inside the Eco Park has become immensely popular to people, particularly among the researchers, scholars, and students working in the field of biodiversity. The 3 acres butterfly zone now has 300 to 400 butterflies belong to 20 varieties. The zone is closed at 5 p.m. to allow the butterflies to sleep. The zone has become immensely popular among the research scholars, students, and professional photographers who spend several hours to have a glimpse of butterflies that often stay behind the leaves. The attractive color of butterflies is a spectacle to observe. Butterfly Garden Eco Park Newtowns entry gate number 4, timing 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eco Park ticket rupees 30, no separate entry ticket for Butterfly Garden. Butterfly release event is rupees 70. It is a beneficial experience to walk around on Butterfly Garden walk away. Butterfly gardening, an initiative that helps the butterfly population of a specific region, is a noble way of allowing biodiversity. Be it their colorful wings or their silent song, butterflies are always charming to look at. Set up in a demo-safe enclosure, the Butterfly Garden at Eco Park is a silent reminder of how nature should be respected and preserved to help maintain an economical balance. Providing a green escape to the people of Calcutta, Eco Park at Newtown has brought in various experiences. The Butterfly Garden, set up on a 3-acre plot near gate number 4 of Eco Park around a circular water body, is a major attraction that gets many visitors daily. Home to native species of wild flowering plants that are finding it hard to survive under the rapid, the Butterfly Garden is replete with natural colors. From butterfly colored sunflowers to China rose blanket flowers there are in the atmosphere inside the park. These native flowering plants are species that the butterflies associate with and host plants or nectar plants, and thus are a vital cog in maintaining the overall ecosystem. Maintains the ecosystem founded by HIDCO and look after the nature mates. The Butterfly Garden also houses a laboratory wherein extensive research work is carried out on the life cycle of butterfly by a 5-member team. Life cycle butterflies are found abundantly throughout the world. From the top of mountains to desert and rainforests, there are roughly 20,000 species of butterflies. Inside the Butterfly Garden in Eco Park, common crow, steep tiger, lemon emigrant, Indian jazbel, blue tiger, and Planx cupid species of butterflies are found in abundance. The best part about visiting the Butterfly Garden is the fact that one can expect to see the entire life cycle of butterfly, which includes understanding their behavioral patterns. The months of March, April, May, and September, October, November are ideal for butterfly watching, but are must visit during the daytime as butterflies are extremely dependent on sunlight. A new experience to protect the daylight ecosystem. Visitors at the Butterfly Garden are asked not to touch the butterflies or the plants. Butterflies are extremely sensitive to light, which means they are most active during the day and sleep during the night. Thus, the Butterfly Garden remains closed for visitors after 5 p.m. After 6 p.m., all artificial lights inside the garden are turned off. To get visitors excited and to bring in more people to the Butterfly Garden, it organized a recreational butterfly releasing event. Visitors can release a newly metamorphosed butterfly in the air against a nominal participants fee. rupees 70, and their picture are uploaded on the Butterfly Garden Facebook page.